Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're doing a quick review of Sprinklr. Now Sprinklr is a comprehensive customer experience management CXM platform designed for large enterprises. Now it claims to be unparalleled. It has unparalleled AI, unmatched productivity, unified customer experience, brings your team's tools and touch points together on this unified platform. Drive up to 40% higher productivity. Discover the fastest way to bring cutting-edge AI to your front office team. So if you want, you can have book a demo to learn more. So let's continue with our review. So let's start with the pros. Now when it comes to the pros, it has unified platform as mentioned earlier. Then it has extensive features like a wide range of functionalities, including social listening, content management, publishing, advertising, analytics, and customer service tools. This makes it a really powerful all-in-one solution for complex needs. Now, the third advantage is strong analytics and reporting. It also has scalability. It is built to handle the demands of large organizations with significant data volumes and user bases. Now, when it comes to cons, we have complex learning curve, high costs. Now, it is considered extremely expensive. Let's look at the cost. This is the pricing. So, we have its custom pricing, so you have to get in touch with them. So it's not visible right here. Okay. So it's generally considered an expensive platform because of, especially for its enterprise level offerings, which might be a barrier for smaller businesses. Alright, let's move on. Next disadvantage is implementation challenges. Setting up and integrating Sprinklr can be a complex and time-consuming process. So they have Sprinklr Service, Sprinklr Social, it has many things. Sprinklr Insight, Sprinklr Marketing, Sprinklr Digital Twin, Sprinklr Platform. Also has support. Okay, so let's move on. Another disadvantage is customer support. Some users have reported inconsistent experiences with customer support, citing slow response times or difficulty resolving complex issues. But despite its complexity and cost, for large organizations seeking a truly integrated and powerful platform to manage their end-to-end customer experience across numerous digital touchpoints, Sprinklr offers an unparalleled breadth of capabilities. Hope you found this video helpful.